In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create email templates. Mailerlite. Start by logging into your Mailerlite dashboard. Once you are in, take a moment to confirm you are on the main dashboard view, so the sidebar is visible. This is where you will find the tools for building and managing your email content. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the Content tab. A menu will expand with different content options. From that list, select Templates. This opens the Templates area, where you can create new designs and manage any templates you have already made. Now go to the top right corner of the page and click the Create Template button. This starts the setup process for a brand new email template. Mailerlite will ask you to name your template. Choose a name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple designs. For example, you can name it Weekly Newsletter, so you know this template is meant for regular weekly updates. After naming the template, you will choose how you want to build it. One option is to use the template gallery. This is a collection of pre-made designs which is ideal when you want a fast starting point. Pick a design that matches your style, then customize it by swapping the colors and images to fit your brand. The other option is to start from scratch using the drag and drop editor. This is best when you want full control over layout and structure. You can place elements exactly where you want them and build a clean design that matches your content needs. Once your template is designed, click Preview to check how it looks on different devices. Pay close attention to spacing, font size, and how images and buttons display on mobile versus desktop. Before you finish, send a test email to yourself. This helps you confirm that all buttons and links work correctly and that the email renders the way you expect in an inbox. Finally, click Save and Exit to store your template and return to the templates list. And that is all there is to it.